The best story for me, I think, when I was young, doing the Hunter the Dragon, the fighting with Bruce Lee, and I was behind the camera, waiting. I just see Bruce Lee, then I just run up, then he talk, suddenly my eyes all black because he just one stick right on my head. He missed it, but I do nothing. And I just felt, a little dizzy, but it's okay. I look at Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee doesn't do anything. You look at everybody and keep acting, turn around, back, and do the director. Cut. Then he just throw the stick, turn around. Oh my God! He ran to me and lift me up. I'm sorry. And actually, I'm not paying anymore because the young guy. Very tough, but then suddenly I don't know why I just became very playful. I just want to be playful as long as this can. I said, during the whole day, every time you look at me, like this. And I think that's the best moment, and somehow it went to the